Hey guys, just getting a quick update video out for you. The home is just about done. So looking great, paint touch-ups were done. Still have a couple QA walks to go through internally, but getting close to the final walk dates here. Like I kind of spoke about earlier today, I will keep you updated regarding HOA docs. As soon as I hear something, you guys will hear something. Appliances are in. And we'll take a look at the primary bathroom. So just a quick little update video. Any questions, let me know.